You will need a bowl, a spatula, some baby powder, some shaving foam, some baby oil, some bouncing putty, some slime activator. I'll be using borax and water, some lotion, some PVA glue, and lastly an airtight container. So first you want to put as much glue as you want inside your bowl, and then you want to add in your baby powder. Then you want to add in some baby oil, some baby lotion, some shaving foam, and then you want to mix it all up into a smooth pasty consistency. So now you want to start activating the slime. So what I did is just added little squirts of borax solution until it started to form, and this actually took quite a while to form. I know it doesn't look like it, but I speeded it up. It took really long time to form. So just keep adding your activator until it forms a ball into the ball, and once it forms a ball into the ball, then once it does, you want to start kneading the slime until it's not too sticky. Then you want to take your bouncing putty, and I just used the orange one, and then you want to knead it into your slime. So you want to knead it thoroughly until it turns into one block color. And yeah, I'll leave you guys with some ASMR.